Few items are as handy as a good camping shovel. Check out our top 3 picks of 2022. InstantAcres.com. At our number 3 spot is the SOG entrenching tool, which is a cool folding shovel that is about 18 inches in length, but can fold down to about 10 inches for easy packing. It has a tempered steel shovel head with a sawtooth edge and a carbon steel constructed handle. It's pretty simple in design, but effective in saving space. And currently you can pick this one up for around $40. At number 2 is the IU Neo hiking trowel. If you're wanting a shovel that is a little more simple, this is an ultralight budget option that has a built-in ruler, hex wrench, nail puller, and a little saw edge. And although it won't take on any heavy digging jobs, it's a great multi-purpose tool that comes in at an excellent price point of only around $18. Coming in at our number 1 spot is the 5G military style folding shovel. It sits at our number 1 spot due to its excellent build quality, along with its multi-tool options. So, along with it being a shovel, it can be an axe, a saw, a hoe, a hook. It has a handle with a built-in knife, saw, whistle, a bottle opener, and it's virtually indestructible. Just really solid build. And at only $50, you really get a lot for your money. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe. Keep watching all of our other videos. Check us out on social media along with YouTube. We have Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to check us out at InstantAcres.com.